Verb. The final part of a period of time, an event, an activity, or a story. Synonyms. Break off, close, close, conclude, conclude, quit, quit, complete, complete, wind up, wind up. Antonyms. Begin, begin, start, start, proceed, proceed, kick off, initiate, initiate, run, run. Use in a sentence. Lawyers were called in to wind up the company. Lawyers were called in to wind up the company. The road was closed to traffic for 2 days. The road was closed to traffic for 2 days. She finally quit walking at age 76. She finally quit walking at age 76. We are not sure whether we still want to proceed with the sale. We are not sure whether we still want to proceed with the sale.